Hello guys, and I just got slime. See? Let's squeeze it out. See? I got some slime. So now I'm like Ashley and Nicole. I made this like 5 minutes ago. I was using the materials like what all people on YouTube do. This is slime. See? It's 100% slime. I can do this. Like I can make slime. And today at East Garden Elementary School, Mariana did a good job. She got the little paper thing, like when all the students behave. And yeah, I'm very proud of her. Good job, Mariana. If you're watching this, good job on you, okay? And yeah, some slime. Ooh, I took a little good bite. See? It's slime. It's not Play-Doh. If it was Play-Doh, then you'll see like little lines and stuff. But on slime, maybe. But yeah, and it just got darker because I'm just like, oh man, I love slime. I will probably bring this to school. Maybe it's a maybe, okay? I will show you, and I'll show you Ashley and Nicole. If you don't want me to, then I won't, okay? Just comment down below if you want me to bring this or not. Okay? Okay. Bye. I'm just gonna go play with the slime. I just love it so much.